I'm a big Campanelli new customer convert since I came to QVC. Who has phones? Who has readers? Who has iPads? Who has computer screens? Who has windows in your car? This is one of their best. This is the Loopy towel that is so thirsty. Get it? 6-piece set, different sizes. We have sold out of all the colors, friends. You're getting 6 of these. And you know what? Don't even try to wipe that delicate, sensitive TV screen with anything else but your Loopy towel. All right, 6-piece set. We got only 2 color choices, but you're getting 6 of them in all different assorted sizes because, hey, maybe you want one in your eyeglass case for your readers, your iPads, your phones, and you know what? Your phones are dirty. All right, 2 color choices remain. We are down to the final 2 colors. Here is chocolate, and we've got 700 left in all assorted sizes. We'll show you why. And we also have it in denim. Matches me. 600 left. 700, 600. All right, Kylie Watts, talk to me. Exclusive to QVC.
And this is one of the newest towels that the Campanellis have put out because here was what we said with the mop cell.
Yeah.
32 million of their microfiber towels have been sold here at QVC, and they are incredible towels for cleaning around your house. But what they do in the process when they make these is they actually shear the top of it off, opens the fiber like a dandelion, making it very thirsty, but it can leave a teeny tiny little bit of lint behind. And what the viewer at home said was, we want a towel for polishing our electronics, our touchscreens, our phones, the areas where are really kind of messy and have that kind of glass finish, but we want absolutely 0 lint left behind. So the camps went to the drawing board. They took extra long microfiber fibers, looped them back into the towel themselves to kind of mimic a French terry towel. So when you look at them, they almost look like French terry, but they are that microfiber that's going to lift, trap, and remove that dirt. So you don't have to use any water, any cleaners at all. They clean and polish. But again, the beauty of the Campanelli line is all about reducing that chemical footprint and those disposable products. So you throw this in the wash, you throw it in the dryer, and you use these for years and years and years. They are one of the best microfiber towels the Campanellis have ever made.
Show me, because that looks like my iPad every night that I'm using.
Yeah.
With the touch screen, so you got to use your fingers.
Yeah, and that has all the messes on it, the fingerprints, and just simply using the towel, no water at all. You can see that beautiful shine, not one fingerprint left behind.
And no lint.
And no lint. And that's the big thing. So whether you want to keep these in the car for the touch screens, whether you want to use the smaller size and put them right inside of your glasses.
I like the small one for this glass. Yeah.
I'm telling you, if you are a glasses wearer, which I am, every single one of my glasses, whether they're sunglasses or regular.
Ooh, it also protects it too.
I have the Loopy towels inside of there because you don't want to take your glasses and rub them on your shirt. There's detergents and things that can scratch and mar them.
Yep.
Keep them inside of there and use them for years and years. And if you did want to use any water, I'm going to step back to my TV here and show you, you just want to spritz on the towel. You never want to spray your electronics with anything. So give it a couple little spritzes because it's going to just have that kiss of moisture. And you can see, now hopefully your TV doesn't look like this, but
if you have kids it might.
If it does, you can see, and just going around in these beautiful little passes, how we're literally getting rid of all of that mess, all of that touch that we have. I'm just going to do a little section of it here, and you can see not a speck of lint is left behind. That's why these have quickly become one of the most popular towels that they have.
Can I show you? Before.
Yes.
After. Before.
Oh, so nice.
After. I mean, here's the other thing. I was telling Kylie, you know, I've got the old microfibers. I really do. So here's the old microfiber. And I was having this discussion with you. I said, you know what, Kylie, this old microfiber feels different from yours. It actually acts different too. There's certain times that it gets like stuck, and it's all because of the loops. It's not this new technology that you just showed me with the Loopy towel, right?
Right, and this is the microfiber that you have the spill in the house. If you want to clean the kitchen counters, you're using this microfiber. These are amazing for cleaning around the house. But when you look at the two side by side, you can see how this fiber is totally different. Because they looped the fiber back into the towel itself, that's what's going to give you that beautiful, lint-free, streak-free every single time. On your window surfaces, amazing. You don't have to use that blue chemical cleaner. Again, spritz the towel a little bit, take them to your glass surfaces, and it's amazing. So we'll go to the laptops, right? A lot of them have those touch screens in here too. That's another one. Do not spray directly on your electronics, but you can kind of see the mess that we have before. I'll do half of it right now just for TV time, and you can see what we have after. Every single one of those smudges is gone, but there is no lint, and that's why people love these.
Okay, we are down to our 2 final colors because they are so popular. And we have it in chocolate. And Kylie, will you just kind of explain? There's only 600. All the sizes you're getting to,
Sure,
right? So
absolutely.
600 left.
So this one is actually where it all started, that 6x6. That was one of the first sizes that they did, and that's all they came in. Then they upped it up to the 9x9, I believe that one is too, which is great for, like we did, the
Keep
laptops,
it in the car.
the TVs. Then they gave the 12x12. This is the only set that you can get this big guy in, which I love because for cleaning, again, your glass surfaces around the house, whether that's windows or anything that's a little bit bigger, maybe it's the big windows in your car too. That 12x12 is that perfect size. They all have that gorgeous satin border, and of course they're all washable and reusable. No fabric softener.
Eco-friendly.
Dry them on the lowest of low heat. Treat them like you would your Berkshire blankets at home, and you'll use these for years and years.
2 color choices. So we have it in chocolate. I think there's less than 600, and then denim. 450 remaining. 300 picked up in the show. Colors exclusive to QVC, and we're down to those 2 colors. As I said to you, Campanelli made it fun for me to start cleaning because your microfiber is different. It works so well. I didn't know until I tried it at home.
It's unbelievable. They really are the masters of microfiber. And the Campanelli family, as you know, they're the first family of clean here. They have been at the network for 21 years. They've sold 32 million different microfiber towels. And this one is the newest technology with those looped fibers. Yeah, they really do. And they really care about doing what you guys need at home. So here's our phone. Just going to take a couple little passes on this right here. And you're going to see it's going to be perfection every time. Keep one in your pocket.
Kylie.
Keep one, in your glass case. Put them in the car. You're going to love these because they leave 0 lint behind.
How are you cleaning your phone right now? How are you using it? I've used even t-shirts and stuff. It doesn't work.
No,
and
don't do that.
scratch your readers either. Get the right tools, the Loopy towel. Thank you, Kylie.
Thanks, Nance. Good to see you.
If you missed out on this earlier with